Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send money from Wells Fargo to SoFi in 2025. Whether you're switching banks, paying off a loan, or just managing your finances better, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. By following these instructions, you'll be transferring funds securely in no time. First things first, make sure you have active accounts with both Wells Fargo and SoFi. Start by logging into your Wells Fargo online banking portal or mobile app using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually easy to find in the main menu. Next, if SoFi isn't already set up as a recipient, you'll need to add it. Click on Add External Account and enter your SoFi account number and routing number. Double-check these details to avoid any delays or errors, as accuracy is key in banking transfers. Now, select the type of transfer. For most cases, an ACH transfer works best since it's free or low cost for domestic moves. Enter the amount you want to send, choose your Wells Fargo account as the source, and pick a transfer date if you need it scheduled for the future. Before you confirm, review everything on the screen. In 2025, Wells Fargo might have updated security features, like two-factor authentication, so follow any prompts to verify your identity. Once you're good, hit Send, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Keep in mind, transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on the banks involved. Also, watch out for any potential fees. Check your Wells Fargo account settings for details. A pro tip: use this opportunity to review your SoFi dashboard for any welcome bonuses or fee waivers. And there you have it. That's how you send money from Wells Fargo to SoFi in 2025. It's a simple way to take control of your finances. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.